Good morning. Welcome back to our speed sounds lesson. Our sound of the day is E. E. And here I have a little picture. We've got two boys climbing up a tree. And this little boy has a pair of binoculars and he's looking into the distance. And the boy here is saying, "What can you see?" E, what can you see? E, what can you see? Now let's say that sound in some words. So I'm going to say a word in Fred talk and you're going to say it back in Fred talk and then say the word. For example, S-E. You would say S-E, see. Ready? Okay. E. 3. Bean. Bean. Sleep. Sleep. Excellent. So when we see the picture side of the card, we say, E, what can you see? And when we turn around to the letters side of the card, we say, E. 2 letters, 1 sound. These letters are special friends. E. And if we look on our speed sounds chart, we can find E. So let's see if I can catch you out with the picture side and the letter card. Are you ready? So I'm going to hide our new E sound into the pack of sounds we've already done. And when you spot the E sound, I want you to point. So we're going to say the sounds together. You ready? E. Well done. Let's do that again. E, fantastic. Okay, let's do that again, even quicker. Are you ready? A. A. Very good, that was yesterday's sound. E. Now let's try reading our new sound E in our green word cards. So remember, special friends, Fred talk, say the word. Special friends? That's right, E. Fred talk, say the word. Fantastic. C. Okay, this time on your own. Special friends and Fred talk, say the word. 3. Special friends, Fred talk, say the word. Sleep. Special friends, Fred talk, say the word. Green. Special friends, Fred talk, say the word. Seen. Special friends, Fred talk, say the word. Bean. Excellent. Now let's try some words we've already read before without the dots and dashes. So same as before, special friends, Fred talk, say the word. Let's do this one together. Special friends. A. Fred talk. P or A. Say the word. Play. Brilliant. You ready to try on your own? Special friends. And Fred talk. Say the word. Think. Special friends. Fred talk. Say the word. Chop. Special friends. Fred talk. Say the word. Spray. Special friends. Fred talk. Say the word. Fluff. Fantastic. Now let's try the same, but this time Fred in the head. Secret of Fred talk. Special friends, Fred in your head. Say the word when I push it out. Let's try one together. Special friends, Fred talk. Say the word. Play. Your turn. Think. Chop. Spray. Fluff. Excellent. This time, let's try even faster. Special friends, Fred in the head, and when I push the card forward, say the word. Are you ready? Play. Think. Chop. Spray. Fluff. Play. Now let's try some of our nonsense words written in our special alien language. Are we ready? Same as before. Special friends, Fred talk, say the word. Let's do the first one together. Special friends? Yesterday's sound, A. Fred talk? Oh, I made a mistake. Are there any other special friends? Well spotted, you caught me out. Shh and A. Two sets of special friends. Fred talk. Say the word. Shay. Very good. Special friends? Our new sound, isn't it? E. Fred talk. Say the word. Treek. On your own now. Special friends? Fred talk. Say the word. K. Special friends, Fred talk, say the word. Sklee. Fred talk, special friends, Fred talk, say the word. Vray. Special friends, Fred talk, say the word. Sleep. Back to the beginning. Well done. Now let's have a go at writing our new sound in some words using our Fred fingers. Okay, if you're at home, this is where you need to get your home learning book and a pencil. And if you're at school, you need to get out your read, write, ink books and a pencil. Are we ready? So our first word is see. See. Get your Fred fingers ready. How many sounds are there in see? Count them carefully. And show me your fingers. Let's have a look. Good. 2 sounds. Let's pinch them. S, E, see. Fantastic. Now write that down. You may wish to pause the video here. Okay, let's see how you did. So what's the first sound in see? S, E, S, E. There's our new sound, special friends. Tick or fix? S, E, C. Fantastic. Okay, let's have another one. How about been? I have been to the shops this morning. Been. How many sounds can you hear? Get your Fred fingers ready. Show me your Fred fingers. Let's have a look. Good. We've got 3 sounds. Let's pinch our fingers. B, E, N. Been. Get your pencils ready. Have a go at writing that down. B, E, N. Been. Pause the video if you need to. Okay, shout out the first sound. B. Next sound. E. And remember, special friends, 2 letters, 1 sound. E. What's the last sound in been? Excellent. Been. Tick or fix? B, E, N. Fantastic. Let's do one more. Let's do a tricky one. 3. 3. Get your Fred fingers ready. How many sounds in 3? Show me your Fred fingers. Good. There are 3 sounds in 3. Doesn't that match? Let's sound them out with a pinch. Th, R, E. 3. Try writing that down. Th, R, E. Pause the video if you need to. Good. Shout them out. Another special friend. R, E. 3. Tick or fix? R, E. 3. And to finish off with a quick review of our sound from yesterday. How many sounds do we hear in this word? Repeat after me. Spray. Spray. Fred fingers ready? Show me your Fred fingers. Good. Let's pinch them. S-R-A. Spray. Get your pencils out. Pause the video if you need to here. Okay. So what do we hear first? Careful. Spray. Well done. Last sound. A. Our new sound yesterday. Special friends. A. Spray. Tick or fix? A. Yay! Great job.